D.A.P. delegates vote 88% to stay in unity government Sunday, 16 August 2026. D.A.P. delegates have voted overwhelmingly via secret ballot to remain in Malaysia's unity government until the end of the current parliamentary term. At the D.A.P. National Congress held at the Putrajaya International Convention Center, PICC, Secretary General Anthony Loke tabled a motion, seconded by Deputy Chairman Unga Kor Ming, for delegates to decide whether the party should stay in cabinet positions or withdraw to the backbenches. The Central Executive Committee deliberately took no official stance, so the choice would rest fully with the floor. Voting by secret ballot began around 1 p.m. after debate. About 2,223 delegates attended. Of 2,099 valid votes, 1,857, 88%, supported remaining in government, while 242 voted to leave. The motion followed weak results for D.A.P. and Pakatan Harapan in recent state elections in Sabah, Johor, and Negeri Sembilan, where Loke himself lost the Chennai seat. D.A.P. currently holds 5 ministerial and 7 deputy ministerial posts. During the debate, all 14 speakers backed staying in government while calling for faster reforms, greater assertiveness on cost of living and institutional issues, and in some cases a reassessment of ties with Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim. Leadership stressed that the vote concerned only government roles and would not affect the party's continued support for Anwar or its membership in Pakatan Harapan. The result confirms D.A.P. will continue serving in the unity government. The author has placed this work in the public domain. It may be freely imported, exported, shared, distributed, edited, modified, or reformatted without explicit consent from the author. As a visually impaired person, the author asserts his rights under the Marrakesh Treaty to facilitate access to published works for persons who are blind, visually impaired, or otherwise print disabled. 2013, wipo.int.